SKB iSeries waterproof hard case with think tank dividers, the nuclear-proof home for your camera empire. I've learned that when your camera gear is your livelihood, protection isn't optional. And that's why the SKB iSeries waterproof hard case with think tank dividers and Nylex foam insert has become my ultimate armor. It's injection molded from ultra-high-strength polypropylene resin built to meet military MILS TD 810G drop standards and IP67 waterproof certification, meaning it's submersible 1 meter for 30 minutes. Patented trigger-release latches, stainless reinforced padlock holes, an automatic pressure equalization valve, and a perfect O-ring seal work together so nothing gets in. Inside, I get the full Think Tank photo padded divider set, plus a Nylex-wrapped closed-cell foam insert that lets me create infinite custom layouts. With inline wheels, a telescoping tow handle, and a stackable design, it's the one case cinematographers, war photographers, and expedition shooters trust when the job is remote and the stakes hit 6 figures.
What really sold me are the 5 unstoppable advantages no other case combines at this price. Absolute waterproof and dustproof protection that still works after years of abuse. Impact resistance that survives 6-foot drops onto concrete in the chaos of baggage conveyors. Think Tank's legendary padded divider system that reconfigures in seconds without wear or sagging. A Nylex-lined closed-cell foam base that cradles gear like a vault while eliminating scratches and static. And a lifetime warranty from SKB that has never been denied on a legitimate claim. While Pelican cases crack, Nylex latches fail, and cheap Amazon cases crumble, the SKB iSeries keeps million-dollar kits pristine through hurricanes, war zones, Arctic expeditions, and daily wedding chaos, delivering the rarest luxury in photography: genuine peace of mind.
I think about Alex, a National Geographic shooter in Patagonia, when his mule slipped and the entire kit tumbled 40 feet down a rocky slope into an icy river. His old Pelican case would have flooded or shattered, but the SKB iSeries stayed sealed underwater for 11 minutes, and when it was recovered, every camera body, every prime lens, every battery was bone dry and fully functional. Then there's Jessica, a destination wedding photographer. He used to arrive with foggy lenses and scuffed bodies after flights, and now she rolls in with one SKB iSeries, opens it, and starts shooting in 90 seconds because the Think Tank dividers keep everything exactly where she left it. And Mike, a Red camera owner, watched baggage handlers drop his case from the cart, saw it bounce, roll, and take a direct hit from another bag. And inside, there was 0 movement, 0 damage, and $78,000 saved in a single drop. Independent torture tests back it up, showing the SKB iSeries surviving higher drops and longer submersion than Pelican 1615, Nylex 965, and Seahorse cases while weighing less. A major insurance company reports that clients using certified SKB iSeries cases file 87% fewer damage claims than any other brand. Think Tank dividers come standard, while competitors charge $150 to $300 extra for inferior versions. The injection-molded shell outperforms roto-molded cases in strength-to-weight ratio and never becomes brittle in extreme cold. Real war photographers in Ukraine and Gaza rely on SKB because when shells fall nearby, the case keeps working. Expedition teams in Antarctica choose it because minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit doesn't crack the shell or stiffen the seals. One Hollywood director of photography even saved an entire $180,000 lens package when his case was run over by a 4x4 on location, and the SKB took the tire track and kept everything perfect.
That's why I believe your gear deserves the best protection on the planet. Click the link below right now and get the SKB iSeries waterproof hard case with Think Tank dividers at the lowest price we've seen all year. It ships fast and arrives ready to save your kit tomorrow. One decision today can prevent a 5-figure disaster tomorrow. So don't trust luck. Trust the case that has already saved millions of dollars in glass for shooters worldwide, and secure yours before the next trip.